Do you need to make a new will when you move to Israel? This is a question that people ask me all the time. And the answer is, it depends on your circumstances. What are the cases where I suggest that people do make new wills? Well, if their old wills didn't relate to their worldwide assets and they have assets here in Israel, then definitely it should be taken care of, right? Also, if you haven't updated your wills for a while, then the time of your making aliyah is the perfect time to update your wills. So you should make wills at that time also, I would say. But strictly speaking, is it a must? No, it's not a must. And remember, though, that if you don't have a will that's valid and in place, that essentially the government makes the decisions for you, right? In Israel, for example, and this is important because people don't realize this when they move from Anglo-Saxon countries. When you own a property, let's say that you moved here, you bought a property, and it's registered in both spouses' names. Well, in a lot of other jurisdictions, there's something called tenancy in the entirety, which means that if you die and you're living in your marital residence, it will automatically go to your spouse, right? Sounds logical. In Israel, that's not the way it works. In Israel, each spouse owns 50% of it. And according to our intestacy laws, if there's no will, then half of that apartment is going to go to the surviving spouse. Half is owned by them. Half of the other half goes to the surviving spouse, meaning that they have 75%, and the other 25% is going to be divided equally between your kids. And if that's not what you wanted, then yeah, in that case, you really do have to make sure that you have a will. But in any case, it's not a must. It's something that you should definitely be speaking with a competent attorney about, and then making an informed decision.